Right now we're at Forest Ridge Clubhouse celebrating the first birthday of our twins.
Super unexpected. The way din na nalaman namin na kung paano nalaman na kambal sila. So lahat unexpected. Pero sabi nga nila, 'di ba, God will give us not what we want but what we need.
This life, yeah, feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. I love this life, and the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life. I won't wait around for the curtain fall.
Happy birthday, Ini and Ichi! We love you both and sana makalaro na kayo ni Tito sa PC Games.
We love you, Ichi boy, Inigo boy. Happy birthday. Love kayo.
This life, yeah, it feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. I love this life, and the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling.
Happy birthday, Inigo and Ichiro. We love you. Malusog at lumaking magalang, masunurin sa magulang at sa nakakatanda. Yun lang at muli, happy birthday, Kambal.
Ngayon, nakikita namin mas gusto ni Ichiro. Mas gusto niya yung mga kotse,
Cars.
sasakyan, ganyan. Si Inigo naman, ayun, masaya siya kasi mahilig sa bola. Kaya pag nakakita siya ng bola, talagang gusto niya laro.
Nilalapitan niya.
Oo, nilalaro.
Wish namin sa inyong dalawa, lumaki kayong mabait at mag-aral kayong mabuti.
Yeah, love this life. 'Cause I love this life. Yeah, it feels alright. And there's no
Gian Ichiro and Gian Inigo, ang mahiling lang namin mami nyo sa inyo is laging maging malusog, sa malakas ang pangangatawan, pati ang isip. Happy birthday, Gian Ichiro and Gian Inigo.
I love you so much.